Alright guys, picking up kind of where we left off, I'm going to start working on like an Ajax function, something that we can grab data or a JSON file or something from a different server or from the server without using jQuery. And so we're going to build one from ourselves. So the first thing that I'll do for this video is let's just get the function that encodes the data into the the string, basically doing the reverse of what we're doing in our last video. Let's take an object and turn it into a string. So first we'll take and create the function that we can use. So I'm going to stay inside of our anonymous function here and access the window, and we're going to call this URL encode. And it's going to be a function that requires an object. Alright, and then we'll create a encode string, encoded, set that equal to a blank string, and we'll build onto this. First thing we do is loop through that object. So we'll say for property in object. So we're going to loop through all of the properties in the object, and we will then let's just build the string that way. So first thing we'll do is say var. Let's check if it is an array. So we'll say if array dot is array will be object property. Then if it's an array, we'll loop through it, and we'll say object property dot for each function, we'll call it prop, and we will say encoded plus equals, and we'll say property plus an equal sign plus, and then that should just be the value. So property here. Then we want to concatenate onto the end of it an and sign. So that should be all we need to do there for the if it's an array. Next, if it is not an array, else we can just say encoded plus equals property plus an equal sign is equal to the value, which would be the object with the key of property here. There we go. And then lastly, after the for loop, I believe we can say encoded is equal to encoded dot replace, and this right here will replace the last and with nothing, the last and, because we're going to keep, and we want to concatenate and here. That should be building the encoded string. So actually we could just probably hit say return here. Let's see what kind of errors we have. We have a token on 11, I'm missing plus equals plus plus plus. Oh, I forgot the closing right here. And then let's see what happens if we say URL encode. We have an object with that var1, set that equal to 22, and var2 is equal to an array that says mom don't play. There. So there we go, and this array here, and let's see what pops up. Does that look right? var1 equals 22, and var2 equals mom, and var2 equals don't, and var2 equals play. Now the problem is we need to add to it the open close bracket. So that would actually just be right in here. We will just put open close there. And that kind of is for in case you're sending to a PHP or something like that. Hit refresh and do it again. There we go. So any of the arrays now are set up kind of like PHP requires the array to be. So this is an important function. This will be something that we'll use in our vanilla JavaScript Ajax method. So we'll keep building onto that, and in the next video we will we'll use this and add some more functionality to it. See you there.